Hey! That's about as close as I've seen. That's about as close as I have seen. You want me up there? Yeah. I know it, and it was actually fun yesterday, but it was impossible to do anything for more than a second or two because the wind was shifting and just blowing like up to 6. That's what I recorded. Yeah.
Was somebody else out here?
No, there was nobody here.
When you set the table down on the picnic table?
I don't know.
I always pick that table up so that they can move. And then it also keeps the profit.
When I came in, our lock was undone, and there was nobody here.
It was the other day for me too, but I picked the plumber.
The plumber?
The farmer.
Farmer, okay.
He's out here a lot.
Well, if he's out here a lot, he must be fairly good. Well, thank you. If I'm going up, that's not very slow, but no, because I haven't learned to coordinate my elevator when I'm upside down fast enough. I know.
And then you gotta learn to stir backwards. That's the hard part. Like right there.
Well, we're too far apart now.
Take left or right?
Either way. I mean, I think I'm more comfortable going left in a turn, but I don't know, there's a huge difference. I mean, here I'm...
Yeah, because of the rotation of the motor, spinning right is harder to me.
Okay, I've noticed that I just seem more comfortable going
Most everybody is
because of NASCAR country, maybe.
This is I painted this one. This is I painted.
I think there's more visibility to that than there is to this.
I do too. That's why I painted my own. And the reason it's red, the colors it is because my grandkids, they think my orange plane like this is fucking Dusty from the movie. And so
Oh, okay.
it's firefighter Dusty, but it's red. That's why I did this thing. I need to practice not a good idea to do a placement ground. I'm not very good at inverted.
Inverted, I don't have anywhere near as much trouble with as I do flying knife edge. See, there's inverted right there. What are you doing? What are you doing out there?
It seems like here at home it's flying so fast. It's a short, small space.
Yeah, yeah.
It's so slow because there's so much room. Breeze from down there.
Yeah, we're picking it up a little now. All right, I've only got about 15 seconds left on my timer, but I think I got... Oh! close was that?
I've got 30 seconds.
Well, I think that was close enough. We might be able to get a decent still out
I
of
do
it.
too, that was good.
I'm coming in.
You good catch it?
Nope.
Have you learned how to do that?
No, I don't want that prop that near to me.
I'm gonna
It won't hurt you.
watch this.
Oh, you gonna do it, huh?
No, I've never done that.
I'll get a movie of it.
What you do is you come in there and do it.
Oh, I see what you're doing.
I can fly closer to me, but
I wanted to. What I was thinking of when you said that was having it come up to me in a harrier and just grabbing a hold of the bottom.
I'll show you why not. You see the scar right there? I used to do that, but what happened?